Do you find the world of personal finance complicated? You're not alone. It can feel like a maze with so many terms and numbers swirling around, making it hard to know where to start. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Let's simplify it together. Welcome to Secure My Wish, your go-to channel for expert advice on personal finance. Here, we believe that understanding your finances should be accessible to everyone, no matter your background or experience. On this channel, you'll discover insights on everything from insurance policies to mutual funds, debt management to retirement planning. We're here to ensure you have all the information you need to make smart financial decisions. Imagine having the power to navigate the complexities of finance with confidence. Our content is designed to empower you, giving you the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial journey. From calculators that help you plan your savings to charts that illustrate your growth, we make the numbers work for you. So if you're ready to take charge of your financial future, subscribe today. Join our community and stay ahead with expert tips and guidance on managing your finances effectively. Together, we'll turn the daunting world of personal finance into a manageable and rewarding experience. Click that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey to secure your financial wishes.